So this part of the shaft on the jointer is a little bit scary just because when you're walking past, the spinning part is right there, and if you have anything like me normally with the loose sweatshirt or shirt or whatever, it's just a little bit annoying or, oh, don't go too close to that kind of thing, because spinning shaft and loose clothing is a bad idea. So I figured I would try and make something that fit over it. So this is just a little piece of scrap wood with 4 magnets in and a hole, and it snaps on like that, and there's space all around so it's not going to hit the shaft. And if you bump it because of this and this, it basically stays where it's supposed to be. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to paint it silver. Well, it looks pretty good painted. It blends in nice. Like I said, it just comes off with magnets. And it's big enough around that if it's in there, it does not impact the shaft. And I didn't record the time lapses for making that, because basically it's just a piece of wood, big Forstner bit, smaller Forstner bits to do the magnet size, chisel to chisel out the extra bits of wood, sawing to get around here, and painting. But my time lapse setup is acting up and causing problems. So it's basic. If anybody wants one of those, I'm sure they could make it just based on, oh, I could do something like that.